What's going on, guys? How you doing today? Welcome to the live stream where we are going to be taking a look at a number of different coins. You guys want to see a specific coin? Let me know. It's a $10 minimum contribution. You can do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker. Make sure you let me know what coin we're going to be taking a look at, and we definitely will do that. Before we get started, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm simply providing the data for you guys. Please make your own decisions and trade at your own risk. Who do we got in the chat right now? What's going on, Gabriel? Hello, how are you doing? Mitesh, hello. Welcome. Thank you. Thank you for joining, guys. Paul, ready for pump. Me too, man. I'm ready for them pumps. I'm really ready. We're primed. We really are primed. We're just waiting. We're playing the waiting game. We're being patient. Do you have what it takes to be patient? That's what the name of the game is for crypto. You got to be patient. So we're looking at Bitcoin right here. And Bitcoin has been running on this trend line, and you could even probably take this trend line up just a little bit more. Like TA is not perfect. We know that. So if you get a little bit of a wick down to the side or a little bit of bodies hanging down to the bottom, that's okay. That's okay, but we can see that we're catching support right here, and right there. So far looking pretty good for Bitcoin. I believe in the live stream yesterday, we were talking about this area right here. That was going to be support. It looks like we are getting that support at that horizontal resist or support and on that trend line as well. Really bullish. Really bullish. I mean, we're already bullish on Bitcoin. But check out our MACD. We have hidden bullish divergence. Same thing that we saw in GRT this morning. If you saw my video, you already know. You have negative momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving up. Where's that trend line? That's a major indicator. Major indicator to let us know that Bitcoin is going to be moving up. We're about to get our cross on our 12 and 26 day moving average right there. We got about, oh yeah, we just closed a candle 10 minutes ago, a 4-hour candle. So this next candle, I believe, will probably make a cross if Bitcoin decides to go up. Looks like we're doing that right now. What's up, Long Range? How you doing, bro? Welcome. Thank you for joining. Jalen, hello. Adam, what a great project. Love Adam. T Wamper. Is it Wamper? Wamper? Hey guys. Y'all ready to take flight? I'm ready to take flight. I'm totally ready to take flight. Let's go to a daily. Let's go to a daily for Bitcoin. And I want to take a Fibonacci from this top down to you better yet. Let's get rid of everything, clear it out. Top to the bottom. And you can see we've tried to break through the 618. That's really bullish. We got rejected, rightfully so. Don't expect to break that 618 so easily. That's a hard resistance. Super hard resistance, especially the 786 up here on the Fibonacci. We're looking at about 52,400. What was that? Getting noises. Steven, hey, thank you so much for the 10, man. I really appreciate that. You got it, dude. We're going to take a look at New Cipher. It says, New Cipher, please make me rich. I won't make you rich. You're going to make yourself rich based off of your own decisions, my friend. This is all you. This is all you. So we're getting that resistance right there at the 618. That is fine. I'm completely fine with that. We came back and we tested the 236 over here at $46,500 for Bitcoin. That's a big area of support. Right now, you can see we are above the $48,700 level, which is the 382. That's really good. We'll probably come back for the support. If not, if we haven't done that already. Let me get rid of that real quick. Oh, looks like you're catching that support. We got to zoom in. I really got to zoom in to see exactly what's going on. Typically, I do not like to chart on really small time frames, like a 1 hour. That's too small. That's way too small. But it looks like we are getting that bounce right now. Let's come up. Let's have another attempt over at $50,000. Get above $50,000, and we'll probably be coming to test that 618. Looking good, Bitcoin. Looking really good. Let Bitcoin move sideways. Don't let it drop too much, you know? Let it move sideways. Let's give alts a chance. to catch up. And I think that's what's going to happen. I'm pretty sure this was our low. That was our low. And that was about it. Some people are saying, oh, this is a dead cat bounce. And what that means is where you start going down, you make a bottom, and everyone thinks that that's the bottom. And then we come up and we start forming something like this. And they're like, oh, it's a dead cat bounce because we're going to drop more. It's almost like a fake out within the markets. I don't believe that to happen. I really don't think that's going to be happening, especially if we come back over here and touch that 618. That would mean we came up, came down, and now we're trying to test and get above that level. So it's possible, though. Bitcoin could go lower. It really could go lower. We're looking at areas of support right there. Another area, big area of support for Bitcoin right there as well. I really don't think Bitcoin's going to go below $37,000. I really don't. I really think we're going to be getting these bounces if we go lower. If we go lower, we'll get the resumption off. We'll get the resumption off right here. Let's take a look at a daily to see where we're at with the MACD and our RSI on Bitcoin before we get over to New Cipher for Stephen Donahue. So look at that. We're finishing up our red or our histogram. Even the daily is showing the hidden bullish divergence. Look at that. Hidden bullish divergence. Price action moving to the upside. That's so bullish, guys. I'm looking for about $70,000, $75,000 for the next move for Bitcoin to go up before we have a consolidation. We could go higher. Absolutely. We could go up to, I think $85,000. But before July, I strongly believe we're going to be hitting $100,000. I strongly believe that. It's going to be coming. We're in a super cycle right now. We're catching our bounce, and we're moving to the upside. Wait for it, guys. It is coming. Definitely coming. New Tang? That's right, Paul. You got it. Did I miss New Cipher news? No, not yet. We are about to do that right about now. Hey, how's that music level? Can you guys hear the music? Is it too low? Let me know if you guys want the music up a little bit louder. Let me know if that's too loud and when we can drop it. Amy, can you let me know if that's too loud through the chat? I really appreciate it. Hey, what's up, Voodoo Ranger? Thank you for the 10, bro. Absolutely. We're definitely going to be taking a look at ADA. Cordano on a tear. On a massive tear. Going through and doing some amazing things right now. Let's go check out New Cipher. What's going on, New Cipher? What you doing? I hear a lot of negativity with New Cipher. But guys, it's just consolidating. That's it. That's all it's doing. We had a massive pump to the upside over here since January 11th. We moved to the top here. Yo, what's up, Andrew? Thanks for the 20, bro. Really appreciate that. Hey, do you want to take a look at a coin? Let me know. Let me know what coin you want to take a look at, and my moderators will find that and they'll give it to me. Just in case if I miss it in the chat. Don't want to miss that. 636% since, where was that? January? January 13th? Come on, guys. Come on now. That's a big old pump. That's a big old pump. Now, it's not as much as others, but the potential is here. The potential is really here. So we're having our consolidation. We've come up from the top, and now we're taking a little breather. That is okay. Notice how on our histogram, we printed this green, and then we made our bearish cross over here, almost at the top. It's not at the top because why? Indicators are lagging. They are lagging. So just because you get a cross doesn't mean this price is going to start pumping. It probably already started moving before the cross even happened. We're looking at a daily over here on New Cipher. Band protocol. You got it, dude. Is that, yeah, band protocol. I already have that one charted out. Adding it to the list right now. So you're starting to bottom out on your histogram over here on the daily. That's really good, guys. We're starting to finish up that histogram over here. Once this 12 and 26 day moving average crosses over here, that is going to be the buy signal. Don't be surprised if the price starts pumping before that. Not pumping, but moving to the upside. You can't ever call it pump. It's impossible. People say, oh, this coin's gonna pump. Well, that might depend. If it's being released on Binance or some exchange, that's really bullish news. That gives a lot of people an opportune time to buy it, and that pumps the coin. That's a different story. So you're flattening out over here on your MACD. Get your cross over here. And guys, it's going to be a whole different story. I do believe that the 57 cent area is going to be huge area support if we drop any lower. I don't foresee that. And let's go to a 4-hour to see exactly what's going to be happening over here. So this might be getting a little messy. I'm going to take away the RSI, but I just want to go ahead and show you before I do that. Look at the RSI, guys. Look how low we are over here. These are the times to be picking up. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. When it's this low like this, every time we become overbought. Quickly, too. When we come down to the 30, overbought. Come down to the 30, overbought. Same thing over here. Come down to 30, overbought. It's just a matter of time. Are you patient? Are you patient enough to wait for that RSI to go? If we do that, we start to become overbought. Guys, I'm really strongly thinking that we're going to be coming over here to $1.36 on our 4618 on our Fibonacci retracement. That's right. From 66 cents to $1.36. That's more than double. That's more than double from where we are right now. But no. That's not it. That's just the target. That's just the target I'm looking for. So take away the RSI and let's take a look at the MACD. MACD over here. Look at this cross. Look at this cross we're about to have right here. Oscillators moving to the upside. Starting to have that negative momentum moving to the upside. That's good. That's bullish. You might be able to even say, yeah, you might be able. Okay, it's kind of hard, but it's true. You have a lower histogram right here on the red, lower histogram than this one over here. While that's happening, price action is up. We have an upward trend in price action as we're going down. A lot of these charts looking the same. Everything runs off of Bitcoin. We know that. We know that. So I'm expecting for these coins to start moving to the upside. I think we have bottomed. I really do think we have bottomed. It is time for us to have a pump. It's been a while. It's been a while since we've moved up. A lot of consolidation. We're starting to move to the upside now. If we don't do that, like I said, 57 cents is going to be a huge area of support. And you can see that we had support right here. Right here. And then before we flipped it into support, it was resistance all throughout back here. All throughout back there. That's a major area of support for us right now. I think that is the absolute lowest that Decipher could possibly go. So 57 cents and it's 67 cents right now. Not bad. Not bad. You're not too late. You could be, and this is going to be stair work. This is going to be stair work. So we're going to go up and then we're going to come down and then we're going to go up and then we're going to come down. That's just the way this thing works. That's just the way it works. Are you going to get in? What are your moves? One area that I'm looking for new cipher. Okay, so before we talk about where we're going to be going up in the short term, check out this resistance. Resistance. We came back and we flipped it right here. That was the area. You went over here. You made your letter N. Beautiful. That's confirmation right there that was support. And now, next area that I'm looking to get above and stay above is 67 cents. We need to come back over here and flip that into support. We're slightly below it right now. And I think because of the MACD on the daily and the 4-hour, we're about to have our cross. This weekend might be a little boring. Weekends are always typically boring for crypto. Not for all the cryptos, but typically for Bitcoin. If it's boring for Bitcoin, then it's possible then we may see us get above, but I wouldn't expect anything crazy over the weekend. Now, come Monday, yes. Monday is going to be a big day. Mark my words. I really do. Big things are going to be happening on Monday. Let's come over here, turn 67 cents into support, and let's move up. We're ready to move up to 83 cents. That is the target that I'm looking for. That's going to be a pretty heavy area of resistance for us. You can see we had resistance. We broke above it, couldn't hold it. Came back, even tested it again for resistance, and it was like, it was tired. It came down. So, break 83 cents, turn that into support, and guys, the next level of resistance we're going to be having is going to be over here at the all-time high for New Cipher, which was about, right about $1.14. $1.14, that's going to be your next area of resistance. Once you turn 83 cents into support, boom, expect that to be resistance. This could be playing out over the next couple of weeks. March is going to be an incredible month for altcoins. I do believe that. Very much so. So, resistance up here, our goal. 136. That's where we're looking to get to. That is where we're looking to get to. What's up, Ava? Hello. How you doing? Welcome. Patrick, Dogecoin? Meme coin? That's what I'm talking about. Annoying? I can't say that. Oh, I guess I can. Cockney boy. Annoying, and then I just read the first 4 letters after that. Cockney boy. Fill your bags with orchid. I'm picking up orchid. That's for sure. Definitely.
My man.
Who else have we got in here? Andy. I don't believe I've ever seen you in here, Andy. Hello, Alpha, bro. Yes, dude, Alpha. Alpha's incredibly bullish right now. Insane. If you were able to pick up at that trend line, if you saw my TA, there was a support line that we hit like 4 or 5 days ago. And I updated you guys and I was like, hey, look, we're hitting the support right now. All the indicators are lining up. I think we're going to start moving to the upside. And I think we went from like $1.40 to $1.80 something quickly too over the next few days. That was a lot of gains within that short period of time. It's not over though. Not over. Not over for it at all. What's up, KK? Oh, dude, one more letter and you're kicked out of here. Memes aside, how high can Doge realistically go? I'm going to answer that for you. But we're going to move on to Cardano before we do that. We have some requests. If you guys want to see a coin, if you want to request a coin, everybody can see it live. It's a $10 minimum contribution in a form of a super chat or a super sticker, and I'll do a TA for you live. For the price of lunch, you can feel comfortable in knowing where your coin's going to be going. What's up, Bitcoin? Let's go. 49,000. It's going. It's moving up. Okay, Cardano. Love me some Cardano. Love me some Cardano. So, Cardano, we were actually talking about it being kind of bearish. I remember before it was looking a little bearish. We're on a 4-hour right now. I want to go ahead and take a look and see exactly, trying to see where I can take my Fibonacci. You're having kind of like this broadening wedge action going on right now. You could probably take it to about maybe something like that, or it might be a parallel channel. That could be it too. Let's just play with it. Let's play with it. Where is this thing going to go? You know what? That's looking like a parallel channel more than anything. So let's pull out our parallel channel tool. Let's take it from here to about right channel. And then right about, I like that right there. That's looking really good. You can see that the areas of resistance that we have on here and the supports are being held up really nicely. Over here, and check out the heart line, okay? The heart line is acting as resistance as well. So you had your support. No way, VIP, let's go, brother. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you for the 50, man. I appreciate that so much, man. Yeah, you want to take a look at Civic? You got it. SVC, you got it. Trying to determine if I should dump CVZ for GRT, plus a little extra for the equipment upgrades. Yes, dude, thank you. Seriously, thank you so much. I'm printing green since I'm following you. That, you know, I'm hearing that, man. I really am. I'm hearing that a lot in the comments. People are telling me, I'm going to give you 5% once I sell. And I'm like, no. No, there's legal matters to that. Don't do that. But I'm glad, dude. Congratulations. So over here on Cardano, you're having your resistance right here, and then your support. And when you got above the heart line, look where you hit your resistance right there. You came back down. And look at this. This was acting as resistance on the heart line the whole time. Then you got above it, and then it was support. You got below it for a little bit. Kind of weird action going on in here. But look, nevertheless, you're still getting that resistance. And then you flipped it over here. Support, and then you broke below. Look where Cardano is right now, guys. We're sitting over here at the support line. We just got the bounce. Just got the bounce over here in this price channel. Is it too late to get in? I don't think so. Doesn't look like it. I mean, this thing could come up all the way to the heart line, and we're talking about $1.36. Okay, those are gains. Those are big gains. That's just to the heart line. We're talking about 13% away from that heart line. I believe we can hit it, and let's go take a look at the indicators. Let's go see what's going on. What are you doing? Oh my goodness. Do you guys see this right here? Where did my board go? I had my board up. Did I click out of it? Oh, I'm going to be so upset if I clicked out of it. Nope, I did it. It's right here. Okay, anyways, you're about to get your cross. Look at this cross, and you're printing your first green bar on the histogram. I know you can't see it, but it's right there. First green bar, you're getting your cross right now on the 4-hour. You hit your major supports. This all day, every day is a buy signal for all traders. For me, that's where I would take a buy. It's confirmation. You got the confirmation of the bounce. You're getting the cross on the histogram. You're starting to print green. And it looks like we're going to be coming up and touching that $1.13, or I'm sorry, $1.30 area. But once you turn this into support, that's kind of small. I'm gonna hold on. Let me just show you the MACD real quick. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It had been quite some time since you have come down here and touched the 30 on the RSI. So many variables to Cardano right now. You touch the 30. That's a buy signal. You're getting across. That's a buy signal. You're starting to print your green on the histogram, and you caught that support in this parallel channel. What more do you want? What more do you want? What more of a clear sign do you need for something like this? Okay, we're looking good. Where are we going? That's what I want to know. That's where I want to find out exactly where we're going to be going. I say exactly, but I'm talking like within a few cents difference. We get pretty close on this channel. We get really close. So I want to take a Fibonacci. I dropped the opacity on Cardano, and I want to take a Fibonacci from this swing high to this swing low down here. Is that the number? Is that the number? Hold on, let me see. Let me try one down here. We could still do either one. Oh my God. Yeah, I like this one way better. I like this one way better. This is our Fibonacci. This is our Fibonacci retracement. We went from a swing high right here down to a swing low. And what we've done since we broke all-time highs back here, we came up and we touched the 2618. Look how that line plays out perfectly. Look how beautiful that is. Oh yeah, never mind. So you came up, you had that resistance over here at the 2618. That was $1.46. And then look what you did. You came back down and you hit that support at 116. 116 was a good area of support for you. You bounced off it once, then you bounced off it twice. You couldn't quite hold it. And then you came down in this parallel channel. Remember this parallel channel, that support down there, and you touched that for support. But look what you did. You came down and you touched the golden mean ratio perfectly. Perfectly. So many buy variables within this. Is it too late? No, I don't think so. I really don't think it's too late. Down here, that was at 107, and you're at 117, so you're only off by 10 cents. Not too bad. Not too bad. So, looks like we're going to be getting this bounce off of this 1618. That's $1.16, and I am expecting for us to come up and try to hit this heart line. Is there any support, any resistance? I'm seeing an area of resistance right here. Right there. That's going to be at $1. You know what? We talked about that. Yep. Right there at that median. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful chart. I love it. So expect 130 to be resistance at that time. You may not break it right away. You might, after you put in this pump to the upside over here, I guarantee you're going to put in some kind of consolidation pattern, whether it be some kind of asymmetrical triangle, whether it be a pennant, a flag, whatever, what have you. You will be putting in some kind of consolidation pattern. Not too long. That won't be very long. We're talking about a day or two at the max for that. Turn that into support over here at 130, and you're coming up all the way up to 146. But when you get up above 146, guys, look. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to just make it bigger. I'm going to actually, the opacity, I'm going to bring it up here. That way you guys are able to see it a lot more clear. Stay with me. I know it's a little messy. But right here, once you break the 130 and you come back and you test that heart line for supports and you break the 2618, which is $1.46, guys, you're coming up to the next resistance level over here on this parallel channel. That's going to happen. Whether it happens here, let's see, let me drop this down a little bit. Whether it happens here or here or here, somewhere up in this range, you're looking at about $1.72, $1.84, or even possibly $1 or $2. Yeah, $2. I think Cardano has a really good chance with this next leg up of going up and hitting the 4618, which is $2 over here. Break out of this parallel channel right here and turn that into resistance, and good God, you're going to be going like crazy. Cardano is a massive project, big brand. A lot of people are in this coin. It's looking really good. It's looking really good. We have a pretty easy stop loss over here. If you break below that support over there, that's not good. That's not good, especially if you come down and you test it as resistance and start coming back down. That's it. You're out. You're out. So at the very least, do not break below the golden mean ratio. $1.06 is not something you want to go below. It could even come down to $1. That would be okay. That's a psychological resistance, but still, you're wicking out of this pattern of the parallel channel. Be careful. Those are going to be our stop losses right there. Anything below $1.06, $1, you're going to start looking really bearish at that point. So be looking for those areas. Looking good, Cardano. Good job. It's doing really good. I remember getting Cardano. Let's see. It was way down here. Where were we? We were in this structure over here. We have this massive, and this is just for fun now, but we have this massive support line right here, and it was in a perfect channel. I mean, a perfect channel over here, and I was playing it the entire way up. It was so beautiful. I got it around 7 cents. I got Cardano around 7 cents, somewhere down here in this area, because every time we moved up, we moved into the support, up and then into the support, up and then into the support. I mean, it looked like stairs going up. That was an easy trading. That was very easy trading going from March 9th to August. Yeah, August, March to August. Man, it was a great time to be making some money and some flipping that back and forth. So looking really good. What's up, Rico? You lost 10 grand? Don't tell me that, dude. Don't tell me that. You probably were not watching my channel. You weren't watching my channel if you lost 10 grand, my friend. What's up, John Wayne? John Wayne's 45. That sounds dangerous. Thank you. Let's see. Someone just got into ADA. Good job. Congratulations. Good for you. Thank you for the work you do, boss. Hey, you're welcome. Massanissa? I believe that's how you pronounce it. I can't read. I can only read. Yeah, that's what's go. Thank you so much, Voodoo, for the 5. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. So good on the 88 TA. You get a pint. Cheers. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you very much. So, what's going on? What are we going to look at next? Oh, that's right. So we looked at New Cipher, Cardano. If you guys missed it, wait until the end of the live stream and you can rewind. Don't miss out on these TAs that we're looking at right now. So, Band Protocol. Let's go take a look at Band. I believe I already have it up. And Band Protocol. Just want to make sure we're getting the right one. So we have, do I have Band pulled up? I don't. Yeah, I do. Is it way down here? Oh, that's Origin. Never mind. Forget about it. Forget about it. You don't even know. We're going to look at the... That Tetherus, huh? That's weird. I've never... Anyways. We have... Can we get one in USD? That would be helpful. Come on, give me the USD. Band. BUSD. We'll take a look at that one. There we go. Coinbase. Band. I wonder if the data is going to be nice on that one. Nice. Dude, there's so many exchanges with this. It gives me a lot of options into choosing which TA, which chart I want to do a TA on. Let's take a look at that one too. Why not? Yo, what's up, Smokey Joe? Thanks for the 10 euros. I really appreciate it, man. Can you review? Oh, yeah. You know what? We were talking about NMIQ yesterday. So I know exactly what we're going to be talking about for that one. Is Oasis. The Oasis blockchain. Yeah. Absolutely. Okay. We have enough. Let's go see what chart I like the best. When you guys are charting yourselves, these are the charts that you're going to want to look at. You're going to want to pull up a few of them and then pick the best chart. So this is on a monthly. We got good data right there, not good data right there, not good data right there. Okay, these are all very different. What am I looking at differently? Okay, that's Band Protocol. That is Tether, top one up here. This one's on Binance, and this one is on... I like the Binance one much better. I have a lot more data that I can work with. Okay, let's go to a daily. Hey, how's the music, guys? Can you hear it? Can you even hear it? Let me know if it's too loud or if it's not loud enough. I can turn it up. I can just tweak it if you guys are enjoying it. Wow, look at that. We're already starting to cup out. Looking really good. When did this coin get released? Was this the release date? September of 2019? Okay, we got some data. We got some data. You got the liquidity crisis right here. That's apparent. That's very apparent. had that huge drop. Man, this thing did not care. It had the drop and it was like, nope, we're going much higher.
Nope.
So I can take a nice fib and I can already tell you you're looking super bullish. Oh, and I can already see it. I can already see exactly where you turned. Oh my God. Okay, huge opportunity here right now, guys. I'm just going to show you what I'm looking at. Let's just pull up a fib real quick so you guys can see exactly what I'm seeing right here. Okay, this is really bullish. Really, really bullish. Just based off of this right here. Okay, you had your swing high back here, down to the swing low. You came down, you made your support, your base over here, and then you started coming up and you started testing that 0.5. That's 50% retracement up. You put in some kind of consolidation pattern, you broke out of it, and then the next move was that 618. You can see that 618. This is on a daily chart. A daily chart, you were being held down. You were being held down massively with that 618. You got above it, and then your golden mean ratio was resistance. That's okay. That's what we are expecting with the golden mean ratio. You have this consolidation pattern. You broke down out of it. It needed to cool off a little bit, but look where you're getting that bounce. You never came back to test that support on the 618. Let me just pull this in a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. There we go. You never came back for the support on the 618 right here. When it was resistance, you came up and then you never got the pullback. You got the pullback right there. And you're holding it as support. Really, really nice support. And you're going to be coming up where the area that you need to come up and break is the 786 right here. $14.75. That is the area, my friend. Once you break $14.75, you get that confirmation, you're out. You are out. Let's see where it's going to be going. Let's go take a look at the MACD and our relative strength index. Oh, dude, yes. Just like oh my God. Look at this hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. This is on a daily, guys. This is on a daily. This is fat. This is fat. Look at this. Holy crap. You have negative momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving up. Look, I'm telling you, all these coins are doing very similar things right now. Which ones are going to be the best performers? Which ones are going to pump the most? That's what you want to know. That's what I'm here to tell you. Look at this. This is a hidden indicator. You haven't even gotten your cross yet. You're finishing up your red on your histogram over here. You're in the light red and you're about to get your cross between the 12 and 26 day moving average. Hugely bullish, massively bullish. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's so good. Oh my God, I love it.
Smoke weed every day.
So you're not, and look how low you are on the RSI. You are so primed for a pump. It is not even funny. Extremely primed for a pump. Where's your area of resistances for this? Okay, not a whole lot of data. I mean, it's a good amount of data because we're on the daily. You probably will hit. I'm comfortable with saying that right there before you might have a pullback. It could go higher. It could go higher, but once you even come up and try to even attempt to touch that 81 on the RSI, here, we saw the MACD. Let's get out of here. Make this a little bit bigger for you guys. How's the music? Did I ever no? I vote no music. You guys, okay, you know what? We don't have to do music. I'll turn it off. If you guys don't like it, we're done with it. We're out. It's distracting anyways. So you're getting the bounce right now, right here. What you need to do is you need to come up initially at first, break through 1475, test that as a resistance, and you're gone. You're going to be having some resistance over here at the golden mean ratio. That's $21.84. Expect that to be an area of resistance. Huge area of resistance, but the work is over. Once you break through the 786 down here, the work is over. Test it and you're gone. You're going to be coming up and you're going to be hitting $41, $70 on band. I'm not joking. This is the structure. This is what it's telling me. And because, like I said, on the daily, you have that hidden bullish divergence, no problem. It's going to take some time. It's not going to happen overnight. But if you hold on, or if you buy right now, that's what you're looking for. That's really what you're going to be looking for. Massively bullish on band. Massively. Holy crap. Looking really good. Looking a lot better than a bunch of other coins right now. I can tell you that much. I can tell you that much. If not, let's say you don't. Let's say the indicators lie to us. TA gets thrown out of the window and we break down. Let's say we break down, you break below $12.30. Well, your next area of support is going to be $10.57. We could see that was support back here, back here. It was resistance here, here. And then even in the past, look left over here with me. Support right back here. You didn't hold it, you broke below. So that's going to be a really major area of support for you. I don't want to drop below $10.57. No, don't do that. I won't be liking this chart anymore if that happens. So get ready. If that happens, I'm just showing you right now, especially if you come back and you test it as resistance and then keep going down, no good. It's no good. But band is looking really good. Okay, we have our supports. We have our targets that we're looking for. Feeling good. Feeling good. Looking good. Doing good. Hello, Vincent. How are you doing? Can you do 1 inch? My wife said I could do 1 inch. Just kidding. Is that Stragon? Stragon? I don't know. THX. Again. How's everyone doing today? Hey, if you're enjoying this content right now, hit that like button. Let's see if we can get to like 50 likes. Bet we can do that really quickly. Okay, that's brand. Let's go take a look at Civic. I have Civic down here, and I'm going to have to go through this massive list of coins that we look at. There it is. Right there. Wow. Wow, it's beautiful. It really is beautiful. I mean, just based off the first thing that I'm looking at here are these stairs that you're taking up. You're taking the stairs up to the moon, which is so beautiful. Stairs, consolidation, stairs, consolidation, stairs, consolidation. What's the next move? I mean, based off previous history that we're looking at right here, stairs. How long did each of these last? That's what I want to know. November to January, 2 months for that one. Over here, January over to about February. That took 1 month. That was a lot shorter. And then this one over here, February and to where we're at right now, which is March. You're coming up. You're coming up. It's looking really good. Looking really good. You're holding a trend right now, and it's a very beautiful trend. This is your demand line. That's the demand line. That's where people want this coin badly. Does it connect all the way back down there? I doubt it. Yeah, no, it doesn't. Beautiful area of support. You've been holding the support over here ever since January 5th, the beginning of the year. The beginning of the year for Civic. Isn't that what it is? CVC is Civic, right? Hold on. I gotta make sure that I'm talking about yeah, that's Civic. Doubt myself. Don't doubt yourself, bro. Come on. So you're holding the support really nicely. You got the support. You're running into it right now. But notice when we came up on these stairs, you're moving in like a lot like Cardano last year. Remember when I was showing you Cardano had the stairs moved into support, had the stairs moved into support, had the stairs moving into support. So you're getting really close into moving into that support. That's bullish. That's really bullish in itself. Now I want to take a Fibonacci, and I'm going to take it from a couple places just to see exactly where we are. I want to take it from here, and if I don't like it, I'm going to move it. Okay, it's being respected, but I think we can do a lot more. Nope.
Nope.
What about right here? Yeah, I like that. Let's take the most recent one. It's going to be telling us exactly where we're going to be going, the targets, the supports, the downfalls, all of it. And let me just tighten it up, make it look pretty. Okay, we're looking at Civic. Looking at Civic right now, looking really bullish. You're moving into your trend line over here right now. You have, was that resistance broken? Where was that resistance? We can take that right there. Yeah. Yeah, if I go to a smaller time frame, that was a triangle. That was a triangle. You broke out of it, and it looks like you're trying to come back for the retest. Let's see. Let me go to a 4-hour so we can see exactly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're looking at a 4-hour on Civic right now. Resistance. 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 You were at the apex within the triangle, which is within this area over here. 74% way through of the triangle. Oh, you did get the retest. You got the retest right here. Boom. You got that retest, and now you're holding that 236 line over here, that 35 cents as resistance. That's good. That's really good. Where are we going? Where are we going? I want to know exactly where this thing is going to be going. What kind of patterns do we see? Yep, same thing. Look, guys, I'm telling you, all of these coins right now, it's opportune time. Opportune time. Negative momentum moving to the downside. Price action moving to the upside. Hidden bullish divergence. A lot of these coins are showing hidden bullish divergence, and rightfully so. They all run off of Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin's king, and it's going to tell where they're going to be going. Good. Looking good. You're about to have your cross. You're finishing up your red on your histogram over here. You're about to get your cross between the 12 and 26 day moving average. Once that happens, I believe your next area that you're going to be coming up to be hitting is going to be 42 cents. Let's get rid of these. Actually, MACD. Let me see. Okay, you're not overbought. I'm looking for patterns. I'm looking for resistances, supports, things of that nature. It looks like we like to have resistance right about here. That's a good resistance area, and you can see that in the past multiple times. And when you got above it, it held as support. Resistance, all of this throughout here. So, and then even till recently right now, that's going to be an area of resistance. Once you get above that 56 on your RSI, you turn that into support, then you're going to be taking off. Then I believe you're probably going to be coming up here, and you're going to be taking a look at the 382. The 382 at 42 cents. After 42 cents, you turn that into support. You're going to be coming up to the 50 cent retracement on your Fibonacci. That's 47 cents. It's just playing out. And we're starting to have this shift. Is that a neg? What is that? No, it's not. I thought I saw a inverse head and shoulders. That would have been really, really bullish. It's a very bullish formation, but no, that wasn't it. Okay, we know we're not overbought on the RSI. Let's take a look over here. Break 42 cents, come up to 47 cents. This is the area. That's what you're looking for. 52 cents. We'll call it 53 because it's really close to 53. Once you hit 53 cents, dude, that's so bullish. Look how you tried to do that multiple times back here. Right here. Huge area of resistance. We know this. These are hard resistances all the way up to the 786, all the way up. Once you break through all of these resistances and you come back for that retest, you're taking off. And let me show you an example. We're going to come back real quick, but let me show you an example. Let me just do this. Market. Look at K and C, okay? I'm going to show you K and C real quick because this was the same thing. This is the same thing. This is a huge formation, by the way, guys. This is a really big Fibonacci. I mean, it's going back all the way over here to July of 2020, okay? I'm just going to show you this real quick for an example of things. And this trend line is way too far over. Where was that bottom? Yeah, right there. Okay. Look what happened when you came back and you got that retest at the 786 right here. You came back, you broke out of the box, 786, 681, 786. You came back, you got the retest, and you're taking off. KNC is going to be hitting new heights. It's going to break through the golden mean ratio, and it's going to be going a lot higher, okay? I just want to show you that for an example of once you break through that, it's really bullish. Okay, back over to Civic. I used to drive a Honda Civic, and you know what? It was a really good car. It was a very good car. No problems, ever. Anyways, who cares? Breakthrough 618, 786, really bullish. What you're looking for, 60 cents, my friend. 60 cents. Now, I know that's like 80, 85% of the way or away from where we are right now, but that's what we're looking. That's our target that we're looking for. Okay, that's 60% away. You turn that into support, my friend, and you're gone. You're absolutely gone. You're going to be taking off. You're going to be jumping up higher, a lot higher, and then you're probably going to be testing this last high. Let me get rid of these lines. You're going to be testing this last high over here as resistance, 70 cents. Break through 60 cents, come back, get the retest, and you're gone. Okay, all-time highs are going to be nothing to break out of. Those are wicks. We don't even care. We really don't even care about those. That's the goal. That's where we're going. Since you're on this trend line, we can talk about downside, and it's super easy. It's super simple. Get below the 236, 35 cents, and you break out of that trend line, no good. No good. You're going to be looking really bad. You're probably going to want to start thinking about your trades. Like I said, I'm not here to give you advice, but that's not good, dude. You've been holding this trend over here for the entire month. Or I'm sorry, for the entire year so far. We're in March already, 2 months. That's a pretty heavy area, pretty good demand line. Break below that, you're going to be getting really weak. So anything below 35 cents, 34 cents, that's going to be your area. You're going to want to look, pull up your charts, get that confirmation that comes back and it's resistance right there, and you're going down. You're going down. But that's not the case. That's not the case. That's not what it looks like for us right now at all. We're bullish. We're bullish. We're moving sideways. We've consolidated. We've pumped. And now we're ready. Next week, I think, is going to be a good week for crypto. Really good week for crypto. Okay. Looking good. I like it. Looking really good. What's going on, chat? How you guys doing? Thank you for the 100 people that are watching right now. What's up? Welcome. So, nice chart. We're moving on to NIMIQ. We were looking at this one yesterday. And it was... Where'd it go? Oh, you know what? I think I deleted it. IQ. Yep. Oh, I put too many I's. There's too many. Okay, we'll look at Tether. Paired with Tether, USD. That one was on KuCoin. Hit Bitcoin. And that's it. That's all I got. Let's take a look and see which one of these is going to be the best chart. Let's take a look. I think that's the one we looked at yesterday. No, here it is. Yeah, this is the one we were charting yesterday. What were we doing yesterday? Okay. Same thing. We have a really nice trend. Does that trend go back anymore? No. We figured this out. Look what you've been doing. Look what you've been doing on this coin. You came up and you hit the 618 once and then twice. Okay? Now, normally having a double top like that is bearish. When you have a double top, you might be coming down to the downside. But because you're trying to break the 618, that's a resistance level that you need to get through. You're knocking at the doors right now. You're ready to come up here and try to break into that box. Where are we going? That's what I want to know. Money flow. Nope, that's the wrong one. Get out of here. We're looking at MACD and the relative strength. Looks like you're finishing up your... Let's go to a daily. There's a lot of data on here that we can go to a daily, and I'm totally fine with it. Okay, a bit of an indecision area. I bet you're in. Yep, you are in. Oh, that's an ascending triangle. That makes sense. Now that I'm looking at the indicators, yeah, that is an ascending triangle right here. Let's get rid of the... Oh, wow. Okay, we'll bring back the fib in a second, but look at this. Is that an ascending triangle? Man, I want to call it... That might be a price channel instead. Let me see. Let's test it out. Sorry, I'm looking for things. I'm looking and trying to see. That's a channel. Kinda. Not really. It's really ugly. Probably. What the hell is this? It was being respected. You could see the heart line right here. Resistance. You came down, you hit your support, but then look, resistance. You got above it. Support. Broke below it. Resistance. Support. And look, resistance again. Yeah, you know what? You can call this a price channel. Absolutely. Even though it's a little messy over here, no problem. TEA is not perfect. Okay, you can definitely call this a price channel just after looking at that right now. It's kind of confused, and it's almost as if you have a resistance line over here within the channel. Something like right there. Let's get a different color. That's better. You have your resistance line right there. Okay, with knowing that, it's going to get really messy, okay? It's going to get really messy. Ew. Look how messy that is. That's crazy. That's too messy. Okay, get out of the parallel. I'm going to drop the opacity on the parallel channel. And I'm going to drop the opacity on this trend line over here because that's going to be relative. It's going to be really relative to us. And let's do that right there. Okay. I like this. I like this very much. So, okay. Look what you did. You came over here. You had your all-time highs back here. You were sitting at about, oh gosh, 0.007 cents. Then you had a low down here. But when you came down, you came up and you had that resistance at the 618. But that was also, and it's very faint, I don't know if you can see it, that was the heart line of the parallel channel. That was resistance right here. You broke above it, you came up and you used the golden mean ratio as resistance. Resistance at the golden mean ratio, you came back to test that 618 because you really never did it. You really never did it. This is the line right here. It's really messy. I'm so sorry. You know what? I can't chart like this. Get out of here. It's too messy. You came back, you hit the 618 for support multiple times, guys. We're talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days a week. A week worth of support over here. And then you came up and you made a newer high. But a lot of selling. Lots of selling. These wicks are all over the place. Look at this wick over here. Huge amounts of selling. Huge amounts of selling. What are those drops? When they come up really high? Yeah, dude, 18% to the top of the body? Like, that's no joke. That's a lot. Over here, 24% wick? Ugh, people are selling this when it pumps. That tells me that not a lot of people have confidence within the coin. These wicks are crazy. They're all over the place. Not a lot of confidence in the coin. Nevertheless, it's still moving up. You have a lot of people who want to sell it, but a lot of people also want to buy it. A lot of volume. I bet if I pull up the volume, you're going to see that. Oh yeah, lots of volume. Huge volume. Huge volume. Crazy. Wow, that's insane. Okay. So, you're sitting at the 886 for the support. You need to get that bounce off and come to retest that golden mean ratio. It's going to be a 0.008 cents for this coin. Once you get above that right there, which, by the way, once you broke out of this channel over here, the 618 to 786, you came over and retested it at the 786 for support. And then you're having a bit of consolidation. Let's go to a 4-hour. That way we can zoom in just a little bit more. Just a tiny bit more. And then look where you're catching your support right now. Look at this support that you're catching right now. That's really good. Get above 88 or 0.008 cents. Turn that into support. And then your next levels, the 1414 is acting as resistance. You can see that right here and back here. Once you get above the 1414, which is going to be, man, you're almost at a penny. And that's about right, because that's going to be, oh, that's right there at this 1618. That's going to be a huge area of resistance. That's psychological resistance. 1 penny. This thing is finally going to hit a penny. Traders want to see that. And with the momentum and the growth that I'm seeing within it, it's looking really good. Get above 1 penny, and dude, you're going to 1.5 cents. After 1.5 cents, you're going to 2 cents. A little over 2 cents. So, really bullish looking chart. I really like it. Let's go. I want to look at one more thing here. Yeah, you're about to finish up your histogram. Same thing, guys. It's happening everywhere, and it sounds like I'm a broken record player, but look, you're having your negative momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving to the upside. That's bullish. Massively bullish. That's called hidden bullish divergence. It's a leading indicator that lets us know that more upside is on the way. It's on the way. Looking good. Really good looking coin. What's up, Alex? BNB, please. Yes, guys. Yes. Read the description. We can totally do that. I would love to. Love to do that. Let me grab some water. 1 second. Oh. I felt like SpongeBob when he was in Sandy's bubble. Did you guys ever watch SpongeBob when you were kids? I was all dry. Ugh.
Bruh.
Gotta drink. Gotta be hydrated. What's Bitcoin doing? I know we were starting to move up. Things starting to go into the green. Beautiful. I love it. Bitcoin up 2%. Yep, that's right. That's right. We just comped that 236. sorry, the 382 at support right there. And we're on our way up. Gonna go look at 50K. We're getting that cross right here. Uh-huh. I love it. Looking really good. How are you guys doing today? You guys are just sitting over here, just watching me. What are you guys doing? What do you got going on for the day? I just shoveled the driveway, and the stupid driveway, I kid you not, is like 100 feet long. It was 100 feet long. I had a snowblower to try to help me, but it's like 50 degrees out. It snowed probably a half a foot to almost a foot outside yesterday. Crazy snow buckets, like from Home Depot, of just water, just straight up water, and just shoveling all the snow. It was brutal. It was a really good workout, but my shoulders are killing me right now. So beautiful day here in Colorado. Looking really good. I love it. It's so beautiful out here. It's so beautiful. Sam, hello, welcome. I guess my username is Mr. Hams. It is. We have Alex DV. Alex DV. Could you please check out INJ? Dude, yes. INJ was looking really good. There was like 4 or 5 live streams ago that we were taking a look at INJ. Very bullish. Very bullish looking. If you guys want to see a coin for the price of lunch, we can do a live TA for you. A live TA. Farrock. New Cipher, Orchid, and Adam. Those are good coins. Time for Dylan. Hello, Dylan. Welcome. What's up, brother? I have 1K. What would you throw at it? It's not a financial... Oh, I can't tell you that, man. I can't tell you that. You got to suggest a coin. You got a coin you like? You got something that you like looking at? Because we can go take a look at it. For sure. Definitely. Hello, Joel. How you doing? I'm liking the content. Already subscribed. Thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you for coming in. Yeah, Bitcoin looking really good. Looking really good right now. Got that support down there, and we're moving to the upside. That's exactly what we want to see. Okay, let's go look at GRT. What's GRT doing? We did an update this morning, but I want to see... Let's get rid of this stuff. That was for the video. It doesn't want to go away. Well, I'll make it go away. Yeah, we had our negative momentum moving to the downside. We had this bullishness happening over here. Oh God, look at that. I started talking about myself and like 75 people left. Okay, I get it. You don't want to hear about me. You want to see the charts. Okay, got it. Never will do that again. So you have the negative momentum moving to the downside, hidden bullish divergence with the, let's see, right over here on the, boom, right there. And you're being held down by the $1.87 area. Get above that one area, the 80 cents, and come up. We need to try to break $2. $2 is going to be the area. 207 within that area. It's looking good though. Just like all these other coins, it's looking really good. You come up here to the 618. The 618 is going to be $2.26. That is what we're looking for. $2.26 for GRT. That's the box. Those are the doors. Go knock on the doors. That's what I want to see. You come up here to the 786. You flip that into support. You're gone. You're gone, guys. We're going to double after that. A lot of people are like, Leland, we need to get to $3 before we get to $4. Yeah, that's very true. But when you break all-time highs, what do we say? When you break all-time highs, expect to double. Expect to double after that. We're going to be coming up here, and we're going to be breaking through the 2618. And that's going to be about the area. $5.81 is my target after we break all-time highs on GRT. It's not if, it's when. It's absolutely when it happens. It's going to happen. Are you patient enough to wait for it? Because I am. Those are huge gains, guys. We're talking from the down here. Even if you bought right now and that happened, guys, you're talking like 200%. That's triple your portfolio. That's triple your portfolio every day. Every day. I'm so bullish on this coin. There's token, rather. This is a $50 token. In my opinion, I truly do believe this is a $50 token. This is going to reach crazy highs. I think by the end of the year, we'll be looking at probably around $15, $20. $15, $20. That's not that far away, guys. That's right over here. That's $10. I'm sorry, 15. 15 to 20 bucks. That's very possible. Let's go to a weekly so we can see how that looks. And then, I mean, just overall, if you look at the weekly for GRT, we've had 3 bad weeks. That's it. I know it's a fairly new coin. It came out in December of last year. But look, on the weekly, 1, 2, 3 bad candles. That's it. That's it. This thing is so bullish. I think when it first was released, it got like $600 million within like hours when it first released. Everyone was so bullish about this token. You watch. This is going to be one of those coins, these tokens that explodes. Massively explodes. What's up? Movalia. Hello. What is your view on crypto for long term? I think if crypto gets banned in India, they already discussed that. They're not going to ban it. The government came out and they were saying, just kidding, we're not going to ban it. Indians would go so many decades behind. Yeah, that is something that you would worry about if that happened. But India already came out and they said no, that they're not going to ban it. They were talking about it. It was going to be an issue. Not anymore. We got that news. That was like 2 weeks ago, I believe. I think so. Something around there. Keaton, hello. We got Bitcoin or Bytecoin. Bytecoin. Is there such thing as a Bytecoin, or is that like Bitcoin's brother? I don't even know. I have no idea. GRT looking good. Looking really good. Let's talk about what's happening with the, oh, you know what I want to show you guys? I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, but this is actually very interesting. If this is the first time you're seeing this, you're going to be blown away. Okay, this is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin on and it's got to load the rest of it. You can do it, Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. This is the past 11 years worth of Bitcoin. And everyone is worried about what's going to be happening with Bitcoin. Are we dropping? Are we falling? And I want to show you something called the logarithmic growth curves. Logarithmic growth curves. Okay. And it looks something like that. A little messy. But what you can do with these is you can adjust them. So we're going to open up our settings, come over to style. And what we're going to do is we're going to leave 100% on, get rid of all of these other ones. You can leave the 50 on, all of these gone, and then turn the bottom line yellow. I'll make it a little bit fatter so you guys can see it. We have the green one for the middle. That's going to be the median. And then we have the top line, which is going to be the resistance as well. Look what Bitcoin has done all throughout here. Okay. It's kind of like a price channel. If you were watching the live stream earlier, you know Bitcoin is in this massive price channel right now. They're growth curves, but nevertheless, you can see how every time we came up to the median, we got rejected. But once we got above the median, it was go time. Okay, so let's come all the way back over here to 2011. Looking at Bitcoin 2011, going back in time. Took our time machine out. See that? See this resistance that we were having? But check it out. So this was a mini bear market for Bitcoin back then. You went through a bear market and then you had your bull market. And that's what that was. Once you hit your market cycle top over here, 2011, you went through a bear market. And then you hit your market cycle top over here. This one was a little bit different. That was, there were 2 waves to this one. And the reason why this happened, Bitcoin was on its way. It was above the median. It was about to go into a super cycle, but the Mt. Gox exchange crashed. It got hacked. So many people lost their Bitcoins. All these hackers got their Bitcoin and people were pissed. They were massively pissed off. So let me just show you this. When you come up and hit that heart line, after you break the heart line, it's a super cycle. And let me just go ahead and demonstrate this for you right now. We're going to go from the bottom of the bear market up to the median of where that resistance was. Okay. That was about 1,600%. When you break through the median on Bitcoin and you go hit that next resistance, 18,000, almost 19,000%. Okay. From 1,600% down here to nearly 19,000%. That's the power of a super cycle. Okay, let's move along. Let's do the same thing over here. We're going to go from our market bottom low over here to the median right here. So we take our measuring tool, we go to the median. That was 2,000%. 2,000% up to the median. Once you broke through the median and you came up and you hit your resistance, 25,000%. That's crazy. So many millionaires were made that day or within that time. So many millionaires. Okay, so cool. Let's move on. Let's go on. We have our market cycle top. We have our bear market, and then you break all-time highs, which is about like right there. So once you break all-time highs, then boom, you take off and you're in a bull market. Okay, let's go to the bear market low, which is over here, and we'll take it to the median. The median going up to the 2017 bull market, 1,700%. 1,700% super cycle. After you break the median, you go into a super cycle. 9,000%. Huge difference. Huge difference. And look where we are right now. Look where we are. We have our market cycle top for 2017. We went through a bear market over here. We hit and we broke that resistance from all-time highs back here. And look where we are, guys. We are just starting. We are just starting right now. And we just broke through the median. We just broke through the median. Okay, let's measure. Are you noticing how the percentages are getting lower and lower and lower? That's because the market cap is continually getting higher and higher. So you're not as volatile as you once were. That's why altcoins pump. That's why they pump, because the market cap is so low that when people come in, you have these whales that start buying, they start pushing the price up like crazy. They push it up like crazy. Okay, bottom of the bear market, up to the median. Okay, 849%. That's good. That's a lot. That's a lot of gains. We go from the median, from the top. We go to the top. Okay, I have a projected breakout targets gonna be happening in September, but notice what it does. The top over there is at 130,000. So we go from our 800% difference to almost 4,000% difference. If you think you're late, think again, because you're coming into probably the best time to be making really quick gains during this super cycle. I don't believe that 130 is going to be the max. I really don't. That's not going to be the top, because at some point this chart becomes invalidated, right? It becomes invalidated because the growth curves will start to cross each other. They'll do something like this, right? Eventually. So you have to take this with a grain of salt. With all the institutional buying that we have going on with Bitcoin right now, this thing, I guarantee, is going to be going way past $130,000. I have a target of about $280,000 up here. And I think it's time for us to break out of this structure. We know it was resistance in the past. This time around is different. It's much different. You have things like COVID that are accelerating the growth of Bitcoin, where you have quantitative easing being implemented in all governments across the world. And all that is the printing of the money. They're devaluing their dollar. So Bitcoin, I believe, will break out, come back for the retest, and then we're going to be going up. We're going to be hitting $280,000. That's just my opinion. That's just really where I think it's going to be going. It's revolutionary. I love Bitcoin so much. I love the idea of crypto with taking the power away from the government and giving it to the people. Decentralized platforms. I can't wait. I can't wait for this thing to start taking off, and then Bitcoin becomes a global currency. That's going to happen one day, guys. Once the banks start getting into Bitcoin and they start using it for their reserve assets instead of gold or bonds, which are terrible investments right now. I'm sorry if you're a gold bug and you're in here and you're like, dude, don't talk crap about gold. I'm sorry, dude. I don't know if you just, there was news this week about this new gold mine that everyone found. 90% of the mine was filled with gold. Filled with gold. You had all these people, a bunch of people digging up, mining this gold. And it was a stupid number. It was literally, I think it was in the trillions of dollars worth of gold. Talk about devaluing gold. I don't think gold is going to be performing that well during this crisis that we're going through. I really don't. I don't think that's going to happen. Bitcoin is going to be the answer. It is definitely going to be the answer. What's up, Midwest? How you doing? Welcome, dude. In the house. Thank you for joining. Really appreciate that. They're not going to let that happen. They don't have a choice. The world does not have a choice. It is going to happen whether they like it or not. They can try to regulate it as much as they can. Yeah, that's possible. They could. But that's not going to get them that far. It's really not. The only thing they're really going to be doing is they're going to be wanting to know who is doing crypto, who's transacting crypto, so they can tax you. They want their piece. That's where they're going to make their money. They're going to tax the hell out of it. But that's about it. What was it? The FCC won't let me be, or let me be, so let me see. No, it was the OCC and the SEC that came out and said, yeah, the US has already told us that they're not looking to stop Bitcoin. It's something that they're going to be running with, and they support, because they already kind of know the dollar is dying and they're going to want to move over there. And the US is making their own currency right now. They're trying to. Good luck, bitch. Good luck trying to make your own coin. We have all these other publicly traded coins. They're going to try to go make a private coin, and it's going to be centralized. Good luck. Good luck. I really don't think it's going to help. It's not going to help them. What's up, Mike? How you doing? Hello. Welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Hello, KB. How you doing, brother? Thank you for coming by. If you guys are enjoying this content, smash that like button. I bet we can get up to 100 likes. That would make my day. I could smile for the rest of the day if that happened.
Okay.
Let's go back over to Bitcoin over here. This live stream is probably not going to be that long. Looks like we're slowing down a little bit. I'm probably going to be wrapping it up here pretty soon. Let's get rid of these growth curves. Totally redundant on this chart. Yeah, Bitcoin just hanging out. Just consolidating, doing its thing. But KNC, man, KNC is just, once it got that bounce off the 786, it's just going. It's just gone. GRT is dropping. It's down not even 1%. Not even 1%. What you mean it's dropping? Where? Where is it dropping? I don't see anything. Nothing at all. Leland, a digital dollar. Too late for it. They should have done it they should have. They should have done it a long time ago. They're just playing catch up right now. They're about 12 years too late. They're 12 years too late. They didn't think it would happen. Everyone made fun of it. Just like how they made fun of Donald Trump becoming president. They didn't think it was going to happen, and then it happened. I'm not saying I support Donald Trump. I don't get into politics. But it's just that kind of that same mindset. When people say, nah, it's not going to happen, and then it happens, and they're just kind of freaked out like, wait, what? That's what happens, dude. DeFi Ant, hello. Thank you for TA. You're welcome, man. You're welcome. If you haven't seen my channel, if you're new and you're coming in here, on my channel, we do TAs on GRT, New Cypher, Orchid, Numeraire. We just did Alpha Finance Lab the other day because I'm only picking coins that I'm thinking that are going to be doing really well and that I want to share with everybody. Hey, that's okay if you're a beginner, man. Shivam, hey, we all start somewhere, dude. Welcome. I'm glad you took the orange pill. I'm glad you're starting to see with different eyes and what's going to be happening. We got Straight Gone saying, Leland, what do you think will happen to Litecoin now that the Wimble comes? I don't know what that is, man. I really don't know what that is, but I know the developers has stopped updating the protocol a long time ago. Gosh, it hasn't had an update in years, and it's slow. It's kind of old technology, but it's a brand. It's a name. I'm not exactly sure what Mimble is for Litecoin. I'm gonna have to look that up. Thank you for telling me about that. Yeah, you're in finance potential. Absolutely. What's up, Podhead? I love your name, by the way. Steven or Steph E. Love this content. Wish you did more TAs. What do you mean? You wish I did more TAs? We do TAs all the time. We just did a whole bunch of TAs. We've been doing TAs for the past 85 minutes. Where you been? You can go look at more TAs on my channel if you'd like. A lot of those TAs in the past are still relevant. A lot of them are not, but the most recent ones are probably going to be the best ones. How to grow profile. Hold. Hodl. You have to hodl. You have to have strong hands, and you got to hold for a long time. I'm holding my Bitcoin for 5-10 years minimum. I'm not looking to sell. Now, when the market cycle top comes and I can predict that, I'll probably sell. And then when it goes to a bear market, I'll buy back in low so I get more Bitcoin. That's just a strategy, though. But really, I'm looking to try to get as much Bitcoin as I can right now. As much as I can in the next 5 years. We have Macadudis. Somehow DNT downtrending again. You know, all these coins are doing very, very similar things. If you were here earlier, you could see they all have hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. A lot of them have hidden bullish divergence. Where is DNT? What's DNT doing right now? It's down 4%. Down 4%. Not bad. It's not too bad. Cardano is up 6% on the day. Good job, Cardano. Yeah, Cardano's really bullish right now. Very bullish. And remember, it's all about the T. Yeah, dude. You guys know my lines. If you guys want to learn how to do TA like me, go buy my book. It's on Amazon. It's on Barnes and Nobles. Or Barnes and Noble, no S. Links are in the description for Amazon. It's $12.95 for the book. For the price of lunch, you can learn how to do TA like how I do it. You're going to learn so much in that book. I'll tell you that right now. You're going to learn so much, and you're going to start implementing it into your charts, and you're going to feel more confident, more comfortable with your trades. It's very easy to follow. Not hard. It's not hard at all. I made it easy so people could understand it. You can't just start throwing out terms and jargon and try to expect people to understand what's going on with TAs. Come on, dude. It's so intimidating to start charting and start doing TA. You start thinking about like these Wall Street guys. You're like, oh yeah, no, you can do it. You could totally do it. I can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Hello, Harry. How you doing? Do new cipher. We're doing $10 minimum contributions for TAs. If you guys want to see a coin, you can do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker, and then we can go do TAs on that. We just went through a number of them. We did new cipher, Cardano, Band Protocol, Civic, NIM. People requested these coins and we were able to see it. Everyone will be able to get to see it, guys, live. But looks like we're starting to slow down here. So unless we get some more TAs, we're probably going to be cutting this one a little bit short today. Yeah, Year of the Ox. Year of the Ox. A lot of people are saying like OXT was related to Ox because of the OX. I'm like, come on, man. There's no relation there.
Nope.
Nothing there. What are you talking about?
Bruh.
Laker 17, what's up, dude? Welcome back, man. Good to see you in here. For one Litecoin, you're going to receive 75 FLR token. Are they doing a snapshot? And then they're going to have a release date or something for that? Is that what the Mimble Wimble thing is? I got to look that up because I don't know. I don't even know myself. What is Matic? Matic is a token. What is Ripple? Ripple is also a coin. It's a centralized coin. So many questions. Hey, if you got questions like that, come hang out in the Telegram. Come hang out in the Telegram. Link is down below. You can join the Telegram or the Discord, whichever platform you're comfortable with, or even Twitter. I'm on Twitter too. Links are down below, guys. If you want to ask me questions like that, come talk to me. That way I have a little bit more time and I can answer your questions a little bit more in depth. Justin likes AMP. You know what? I was looking at AMP a while ago, and then it started pumping, and I was like, dang it, I think I missed out. I really thought I missed out. Where is Amp? Amp. Oh, hey, by the way, I got a camera. I got a live streaming camera, which is going to be here tomorrow. It's going to be here tomorrow. So there's going to be video. You guys you'll be able to see my face, be a little bit more personable. Here's Amp. And oh dude, yes, nice consolidation. Beautiful consolidation. And you're making a double bottom. Oh, looking good. So yeah, that camera comes in tomorrow. You guys will be able to see my pretty face. And I bought some other things as well for the background just to kind of make it look more live streamer-ish like. But I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys will like it. I hope that camera works, does justice for the live stream. Hello. Have you done alpha? No, we didn't. We have not looked at alpha yet. I did an update about alpha yesterday. Yeah, I uploaded that video yesterday on alpha. Hey, can we get to 100 likes? We're at 81 likes right now. We could do that really quickly if we wanted to. I just want to see that 100. I don't know what name that is. It's in Russian, I think. What do you think about Matic Polygon? We can definitely take a look at that TA. I think Matic is a good project. I think it's got a really good name behind it. The charts have been looking really good on Matic. Look at this structure for AMP though. It's so pretty. What is this over here? November? Yep. November, January. God, the beginning of this year for altcoins has just been crazy. And like I said, this year, like alt season's not over. Here's the beginning of the year, and then here's the first pump. That's just the first pump, guys, for alt season. You take consolidation, and then boom, you get the next leg up. This is just the way charts work. That's just the way they consolidate, and then boom, they go up. And that's just the way it works. Unless you have a really crappy, we call it project, or something bad happens to a coin, then it's not going to be performing well. But we're in a bull market. We're in a huge bull market. You got nothing to worry about. So we'll be able to tell if you're lying or not. Zabita, are you questioning me? Are you questioning me? Need last peak, then crash. What do you mean the last peak? You think Bitcoin's gonna crash soon? Not even close. So many indicators that tell us that we're not even done with this bull market. We're like halfway through, if anything, time-wise, not because halfway is $55,000 and I think that $100,000 is going to be the top. No. Remember the super cycles. We're about to enter super cycles for sure. Bitcoin tanks, the rest follow. Yeah, always happens. Bitcoin goes down 7%, everything else goes down 15, 20%. That's just the way it works. Smaller market cap coins move a lot more. They're a lot riskier. You start getting to higher market cap coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, they don't move as much. They don't move that much. Those are really the big ones. That's where my base is built around. Bitcoin and ETH. KK, isn't the 7 TPS limit on Bitcoin bottlenecking? I don't know what that is, dude. The 7 TPS limit? I don't know what that is. I have like 5 indicators right now. So many other charts and TAs that I can do on Bitcoin that tell you, no, we're not even close to being done. And so many people are bearish on it right now. I believe, yes, someone yesterday was trying to like short it. And I just like, no, you're going to get wrecked. Don't do that. Why would you short Bitcoin? Like, why would you short Bitcoin right now? That's not a good idea.
Nope.
Because once Bitcoin pops and we start hitting like $80,000-$90,000, which is going to happen, you know what that means?
Pussy.
Hell yeah. We're going to be rolling in it, making so much money. And Bitcoin plus alts. Alts are going to do way better. They're going to outperform. You're going to be making so much more money in alts. Stock market. Wait, what is this person saying? We got a bear in here? Yeah, we have a bear in here. Yeah, $80,000 max. I don't know what TAs you're looking at, man. Doesn't make any sense to me, though. No super cycle? Okay, yeah, sure. Whatever you say. stock market already started crashing. The stock market started crashing. Okay, man, whatever you say. Bitcoin will follow reality. You know, it decoupled from the stock market back in July. Bitcoin started decoupling itself from the stock market. So I don't think so, man. I really just don't think so. What's up, dude? Always here to learn. I need to join the Telegram. Go join the Telegram. Why aren't you in there, dude? It's free. It's so easy to use. There's memes all over the place. It's fun. Go check it out, dude. Join the Telegram. Link is down below. Just click on it. One click, and you're in. And you're in. It's really awesome. Jonas. Oh, wait. What is your opinion on ETH burning? I would love for the burning effect to happen on ETH, which is going to be if EIP 1559 gets implemented into the Ethereum blockchain, which is, I think they're talking around July that's going to be happening. We need it. We need to fix what's happening on the Ethereum network. The gas fees are too high. They're way too high. And when you put a burn feature coin, that makes it scarce. That's going to make the price go up higher. Because really it's being mined by all the miners right now. And if you put a burn feature on the mining, you just lowered the available Ethereum that's going to be released. There's a certain amount of Ethereum that is released every single year, and you start taking it away halfway through the year. Watch what happens before the end of the year. I'm looking for like a $20,000 ETH. I know people are like, you're crazy. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. That's math. That's science. That's cold, calculated, and robotic strategies to come up with that. They're not just random numbers I'm throwing out there. I've done these TAs. I've looked at and see where we're going to be going. What's Bitcoin doing? Anyone else do that throughout the day? Check their phone like every 5 minutes? I used to do that so much. I don't really do that anymore. I check Bitcoin probably once a day just to see where we're at. Looking good. Looks like you're getting the bounce there at the 382, 48,800. Looking really good. Let's see. We have Pothead Media. I burn ETH every transfer. No, you don't burn it. You're paying the miners. You're paying them a lot of money. And the gas fees are stupid high. They're so high. It's so dumb. That's why we need EIP 1559. There's also two other improvements proposals. Yeah, the improvement proposals. I believe it's 1057 and 969. Those both will be taking ASIC miners off of the network, which will help out tremendously with the fees as well. But they're thinking of combining EIP 1557 and the other protocols together. So you might be getting a burn feature plus getting the ASIC miners off of the network. That's where you're going to start seeing that the fees are going to start dropping. It's not going to be as expensive anymore. But really, the ultimate goal is to get to 2.0. You need to get over to ETH 2.0. You need to move over from proof of work over to proof of stake so we can drop this craziness. This power consumption that we're using right now to mine is really a world killer. It's an earth killer. It's really bad for the environment. There's things you can do, though. There's things you can do to fix it. I think we're just starting. You know, all this is very new. Within the past 10 years, guys, crypto is very new. Give it some time. We'll figure it out. We'll definitely figure it out. Yeah, trust the science. Absolutely, Voodoo. Absolutely. Thanks for hanging out still, guys. Really appreciate it. Even though we're not really doing TAs, we're looking about probably going to be wrapping this up here pretty soon. Been live streaming an hour and a half, over an hour and a half right now. Getting pretty hungry. All that snow shoveling got me hungry. Crypto for life. I wish the burn feature would more inflationary. It's only words, bro. Words. It's only burning fees, which is great. But if the fees go down due to another update, burn rate will be lower. I'm trying to. What did you say to me? I don't know what you said to me, dude. Sorry. Bander. How you doing, Bander? Just joined. You were talking about ETH target. Please tell me, what is it I didn't catch up on? You can rewind the live stream, dude. Yeah, we were talking about ETH a little bit. You can rewind for sure. Show. Crypto is just, I mean, if you're not in crypto, I try to tell my friends about crypto. Have you guys ever tried to tell people about crypto? Everyone, I guarantee you only get maybe like 1% of people to move over into crypto, and they're all saying the same thing. Nah, I'm not gonna get in. And you're just like, dude, you don't get it. You don't get it. This is the future, man. Come on, man. Join the revolution. Woo! Mark Cuban. Yeah, Mark Cuban loves Bitcoin, but he's even more bullish on DeFi, which I love. DeFi is where it's at. I personally believe that one day that Ether will surpass Bitcoin's market cap. You watch. That'll happen. That will happen. ETH will go bananas. Nobody talks about ETH. I don't know why. I don't understand why people aren't talking about Ethereum. We're so bullish on Ethereum. It's crazy. It's amazing. Everyone's worried about what's going to be happening with ETH. Look at that structure. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? It's amazing. Yeah, we went back for the retest and we're getting the bounce right now. I'm just saying, guys. I'm just saying ETH is going to pump. It is going to days where it'll be up like 20, 30%. I'll have multiple days where it's up like that, 20, 30%. Boom, boom, boom. Just going like crazy. This means lower fees with 2.0 and less is burned. Well, EIP, the improvement protocol won't lay on top of 2.0. It wouldn't make sense anymore. There wouldn't be a burn feature after that. Because you're moving over from proof of work over to proof of stake. The whole point of the burn feature is to try to negate some of the fees. So when you move over to 2.0, that's it. I mean, 2.0 is going to be able to do 100,000 transactions a second at a much lower cost, efficiency-wise, energy-wise. The nodes will be able to run it. It's going to be super cheap. All these people who are going to be staking their coins, it's a minimum of 32 ETH, minimum, to stake and become a node and to be a part of the network. A lot of people are doing that right now. Lots of people. Crypto for life. Not a great deflationary system longer in the future, but they may come up with something else. Yeah, that's what, I mean, it's just it's a band-aid. It's a band-aid over a wound that was just sliced open with a katana. That's where 2.0 comes in. 2.0 comes in and just sews it up. Medic! Sews it right up. Give it some vitamins. Maybe some drugs. The good drugs. And it's going to be out and running again. It up. Medic! Sews it right up. Give it some vitamins. Maybe some drugs. The good drugs. And it's going to be out and running again. I like answering these questions. You guys have good questions. We see. I'll be expecting crypto at my yard sale. What do you mean? How are... Hey, what's up, Mystic? Thanks for coming by, dude. We're just wrapping it up here. So, anyways, I think that's going to be it for the live stream, guys. I am going to release a video tomorrow. If you guys are interested in reading my book, it's not a very long read at all. It's very simple. You can get it on Amazon. Link is down below. It's $12.95. So for the price of lunch, you could be learning how to do TAs like I do. Come ask me questions. Go implement the TAs into your charts and come show me. Ask me, hey, does this look good? I'll critique it, give you some advice, and I'll grow. Grow with me. I'll help you. I'll definitely help you. Join the Telegram, the Discord. Links are down below. Either one of those. Make sure you use the @ crypto grenade. @ crypto grenade to get my attention. If you just say Leland or you don't I won't get the message because I have the notifications on. They're off. I can't get 500, 700 messages a day. My phone just ding, 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 ding. No, I can't do it. So, but if you put @ crypto grenade, I'll get it. and then I can respond. Burning is for reducing circulation supply. That's what I mean. No, because the supply is still there. It's not reducing it. It's just making it more scarce. Definitely just making it more scarce. But anyways, guys. Okay. That's it for me today, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the contributions. I really appreciate it. My camera comes in tomorrow. I'm going to set it up. I don't know if I'll be able to actually do the live stream with the camera tomorrow. I'll try, but definitely Sunday. Sunday is going to be a really good day for live streaming for me. I'm probably going to be doing 2 live streams that day with the camera just because I'm going to be really excited. So, my name's Leland, and remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.